Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious vegetarian biryani. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of fragrant basmati rice, which you should rinse until the water is clear. Also, prepare 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables, chopped into small pieces. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and some fresh mint leaves to infuse those wonderful flavors. Let's get cooking. Now, let's build those incredible layers of flavor. First, parboil your basmati rice until it's about 70% cooked. This ensures perfect texture later. Next, in a heavy-bottomed pot, sauté your chopped vegetables with whole spices such as bay leaf, a small cinnamon stick, and 3 or 4 green cardamom pods. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and a pinch of turmeric. Finally, mix in the 1/4 cup of yogurt and a generous handful of fresh mint and cilantro leaves. Now comes the magic of dum cooking. Carefully layer the partially cooked rice over your spiced vegetable mixture in the heavy-bottomed pot. Next, drizzle 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil evenly over the rice layer. This adds a wonderful richness. For that signature biryani color and aroma, sprinkle a pinch of saffron strands, previously soaked in 2 tablespoons of warm milk over the rice. Finally, seal the pot tightly with a lid or even some dough to trap all that flavorful steam inside. We're almost there. Cook your biryani on very low heat for 20 to 25 minutes using the dum method. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Once cooked, turn off the heat, but let the biryani rest, still sealed, for another 10 minutes. This step is crucial for perfect texture. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork to mix the layers without mashing the grains. Serve your fragrant vegetarian biryani hot, perhaps with a side of cooling raita or a fresh salad. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.